How to add pictures to Google Maps. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Map. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Contribute, which is on bottom beside Business and You. After you do that, click on Add Photo. Simply select a photo from your gallery or simply take a picture. And then select the place where you want to upload. After that, click on Save located on top right and then you're done. You have added photo to Google and you also earn some points on Google. This is how to add picture to Google Maps. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.